Dave and welcome to the channel. Here you'll find everything from Riker gear reviews and part installs to PC builds and gaming content. Hit subscribe and join the adventure.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dave's videos. I haven't done videos in quite a while, but I got some new gloves to review. Since I had an incident with my other gloves, I dropped one, and my neighbor, when he saw it on the floor, well, he decided to throw it in the garbage. So I had to buy a new pair of gloves. I picked up the Kemimoto. They call them tactical gloves. Let me see if you can see them here. They have some PVC knuckles, and they have these little holes here for your fingers to breathe. I tried them today and they fit pretty snug, but I'm really comfortable in them. I didn't take them off even while I was shopping, and I had no trouble, touching my phone or working with my phone, paying with my phone. They have this Velcro here. You can put them as tight as you want. And for the phone, let's see here. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to put my nip in front of you. Give me a sec. Here we go. So you see, everything works really well. So yeah, you have three fingers for the screen that you can use to touch, and yeah, so they're pretty snug on my hands, and I bought large, and my hands are, let's see here, my hands are 8 1/4 inches wide, and from the finger that they say here, like that, it's 7 1/4, and my other one is 3 inches 1/8 for the finger. And I got large, and they're snug, so I have a feeling they'll break in, and I'll be really comfortable once they're set up. So yeah, they were also pretty cheap. I paid them $28.99. They were on special for 6%. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know the Kemimoto tactical gloves, and well, for motorcycling, they do the job, and they're pretty comfortable. So look them up, try them, and let me know. See you around.